The GAN 11M Pro has core magnets, but because of that, you can do this. You can do corner twists as well. You can twist it any amount you want, but what you cannot do is turning an entire face, because as you move the corners, the core doesn't move, so that is not going to work. This is the mini Rubik's Cube. How small is it? Well, it's smaller than a 1x1. This is how big a 3x3 is supposed to be. Except, this is a 2x2. This is how big a 3x3 is supposed to be. Here is a 4x4, here's a 7x7, and if that doesn't look big enough to you, just to put all this in perspective, this is the Earth. Has been going through some problems, but that's nothing that we can't fix, starting with the United States, which, as you can see, have not been so united lately. All we have to do is patch it right up like that. And next is the rest of the Northern Hemisphere, as that is where 90% of the people live. So let's just fix things right up. And lastly, you can see that Antarctica has really taken its toll from climate change. Luckily, all we have to do to fix this is one algorithm. There we go. Now, this was the easiest scramble I've ever had. I did the yellow cross, which has orange solved, and I put in blue and red first, then did D2, put in green, D2, and that sets up the orange-green pair, which I saw in inspection. Put that in, then this is set up, and when you do that, orange and blue get set up, and then lastly we have this easy pair, the only one that isn't like a 3-move pair. Then there's this OLL, and what I did, since I do my L as lefty, is I did it like this, and that left me with a U-perm. If I didn't panic and notice this bar, which will be preserved, then I would have done the right-handed version and just skipped PLL. Have you ever used the OOPS method? I thought I got an OLL where this corner was twisted this way, so I did it like this, which was wrong, and it gave me another OLL. So I did this one, and then I got a PLL skip. But why is this called the OOPS method, you ask? Is it because I messed up? Well, no, it's just called exactly what it is. OLL, OLL, PLL skip. What? This is the stupidest scramble I have ever seen. There are not one, but 2 free squares already built. I used these to make a double X cross, which means as you solve the cross, you also solve 2 F2L pairs. But the crazy part is, if you just solve the cross by putting in orange and then putting in blue, you just get the double X cross without even trying. I saw the third pair in inspection. I knew these would be on top, but didn't know what case it would be. Of course, it was the paired case. The rest of this is just normal OLL and PLL.